Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SushiSwap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that SushiSwap has recently broken out another falling wedge pattern. And this was one of those videos. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then this was the falling wedge pattern. And before that, by the way, SushiSwap has already broken out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern in the month of October 2023 as well. After that, we had a very powerful pump, a very short and powerful pump. By the way, from this low, and last time it was testing the supported wedge here, up till this high, it was almost 345% pump, but the price and could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from $1.60 and goes to $2 and got stuck inside in another falling wedge pattern. That is, by the way, more visible on the daily time frame chart. Therefore, now I'm switched to the daily time frame chart, and now recently, a few days ago, we have broken out the resistance, and here we have found another very strong resistance zone from 85 cents to 94 cents, and the price and got rejected by this resistance several times, and still moving below this resistance. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signals report for the previous month of October 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Syscoin, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this trade setup I shared on 19th of October 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade signal as well, like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart of SushiSwap. And this is the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, since after the month of Feb 2024, by the way, in fact, for the past several months, it was moving inside this wedge. And recently, a few days ago, we broke out the resistance, but the pricing could not break out this resistance zone. That starts from 85 cents and goes to 94 cents. Previously, it had been breaking as a very strong support zone. You can see that for several weeks, it had been breaking as a support zone. And now after the breakdown, it is flipped into a resistance zone. We got rejection here, and rejection here as well. Therefore, in order to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge, we will first need to break out this resistance zone, and then it can hit the target for the breakout from the wedge. That is here at the top of the wedge, approximately at $2.14. By the way, before that, we will have another very, very long-term resistance zone. That starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. And now if we take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then here you can see that we have already broken out a very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And after the breakout, the price line was rejected by this resistance zone that starts from $1.60 and goes to $2. By the way, previously this resistance zone has been also breaking as a resistance zone here and resistance zone here for several months. Therefore, again, if the price line reaches there, then it can work as a strong resistance zone for the price line. And the long-term technical target for the breakout from this bigger falling wedge pattern is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That can be somewhere between $24 to $25. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.